Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had completed exercise A of Grammarly of lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger, and I also explained the kinds of pronoun. Now today, I'm going to continue with the exercise B of Grammarly. So all of you, please take out your English notebooks and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 35. Students, please take out your English grammar book as I'll be continuing with exercise B of Grammarly of lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. And turn to page number 35. Now students, I had explained the kinds of pronoun in my last video, and I'm going to start with exercise B given on page 35, and that is complete the following sentences with appropriate pronouns. Appropriate means suitable. And the first sentence is this is the house dash Jack built, and the options given are who and that. So out of these two words, for house we will be using the relative pronoun that. यहाँ पे दो relative pronouns हैं, तो हम कौन सा लिखेंगे? That. This is the house that Jack built. Then the second one, the blue bouncing ball is not dash it is dash, and the options given are first वाले blank में your and mine. फर्स्ट वाले ब्लैंक के लिए जो दो हमें वर्ड्स दिए ऑप्शंस दिए हैं वो योर और माइन. सो द ब्लू बाउंसिंग बॉल इज नॉट योर, तो नहीं लिखेंगे. योर्स होता, एस होता, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन होता तो हम लिखते, बट यहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इज नॉट माइन. राइट माइन इन द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक, इट इज, एंड द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर हिज और माइन. सो माइन नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? Possessive pronoun his. Clear? So the blue bouncing ball is not mine, it is his. Fine? All of you have done. Now the third one. Ravi asked dash mother. Ravi asked dash mother if she would buy him a remote controlled car. And the options given are him or his. So we will write over here his. Ravi asked his mother if she would buy him a remote controlled car. So write his in the third blank. Now the fourth one. Whose? Demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those. Isn't it? So whose shoes are dash, and the options given are these, there. So we will write these. Shoes plural hai, so isliye we are going to write these. These is the demonstrative pronoun. Now the fifth one. You can make a paper boat Now we need to fill with the correct reflexive pronoun, there or yourself. You can make a paper boat dash, and the correct pronoun is yourself. Reflexive pronoun. You, yourself. So, write yourself in the fifth line. You can make a paper boat yourself. Then, the sixth one. In the confusion, comma, I couldn't see dash car, it was. Now the options given are who or whose. In the confusion, I couldn't see whose car it was. Write W-H-O-S-E, whose. In the confusion, I couldn't see whose car it was. Then the seventh one. These are the people dash create trouble. So we have got two options, who and whose. For people, we will use the relative pronoun who. So write who in the seventh line. These are the people who create trouble. Then the last sentence of this exercise is, these trousers are not dash, they are dash. And for the first blank, the options given are yours or theirs. So we will write the possessive pronoun yours. So these trousers are not yours, they are. For the second blank, the options given are again your and mine. So we will write the possessive pronoun mine. With this, we have finished our exercise B of Grammarly based on kinds of pronouns. Now I'll revise these and then I'll start with the next page, that is creative writing. So the first one, this is the house that Jack built. Second, the blue bouncing ball is not mine, it is his. Third, Ravi asked his mother if she would buy him a remote controlled car. Fourth, whose shoes are these? Fifth, you can make a paper boat yourself. Sixth, in the confusion, I couldn't see whose car it was. And seventh, these are the people who create trouble. And eighth, these trousers are not yours, they are mine. So now with this we have finished our Grammarly exercise, children. This exercise had to be done in the book only. Now take out your notebooks as we need to do the writing section. We need to write a letter that has to be done in the notebook. So I'm going to erase this and I'm going to start with the creative writing. Now, creative writing. Now the heading is, imagine you saw some students of your school hitting stray dogs with stones. Stray dogs जानते हैं ना, जिनका कोई मालिक नहीं होता, जो रोड स्ट्रीट डॉग्स होते हैं उनको stray dogs बोलते हैं. Write an application to the principal of your school complaining about this issue. So हम सब ने फॉर्मेट तो सीखा ही है ना, लेटर राइटिंग का. So we write the heading, imagine you saw some students of your school हिटिंग मतलब मारना. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं ना जो एनिमल्स को हर्ट करके मार के जिनको बहुत मजा मिलता है. इज इट गुड? नो, इट इज नॉट एट ऑल गुड. It's a cruel trait. So we should be kind to animals. और आपको इमेजिन करना है कि आई एम श्योर आप में से कोई ऐसा नहीं करता होगा, बट यू नीड टू इमेजिन कि अगर आप ऐसा किसी स्टूडेंट्स को करते हुए देखते हो, सो यू नीड टू राइट अ लेटर टू द प्रिंसिपल of your school hitting stray dogs with stones. Write an application. Write an application to the principal of your school complaining about the issue. Letter to the principal means an application. So now you all know the format of letter writing, children. So let's start. Wherever I'll draw a line, that's an indication for you to leave one line. Clear? So treat this as your margin line. Now after the heading I've drawn two lines, that means you need to leave two lines. Then please write your address. Let's write 111 Srinagar, Pahadia, Varanasi. I'm sure none of you live. I'm sure none of you live in this address, so please do not write this address, keeping in mind that none of your words should touch the margin line. Clear? After writing your address, I'm drawing a line. That's an indication कि आपको फिर एक लाइन छोड़नी है. जहां मैंने लाइन खींची, आपको वहां पे एक लाइन छोड़नी है. Clear? सबसे पहले sender's address, then day, leave one line, then date, after date, leave one line, then the receiver's address, then leave one line, then the subject, then leave one line, then salutation, and after salutation, we don't have to leave any line. This has to be kept in mind, है ना? सबसे पहले heading के बाद 2 लाइन, जो फॉर्मेट हमने लर्न किया था. After that, you write the sender's address, then you leave 1 line, then you write the date, then you leave 1 line, then you write the receiver's address, then you leave 1 line, then we write the subject, then you leave 1 line. After subject, leave 1 line and write the salutation, that is respected madam. And after salutation, आपको एक भी line नहीं छोड़नी है. After salutation comes the body of the letter. After body of the letter comes the subscription and then your name and class. Clear? So, सबसे पहले हमने sender's address लिखा 2 लाइन छोड़ने के बाद. Then we have left 1 line, then we write the date. And date, कौन सा month है? So, August 09/2021. Again I am drawing a line, that means leave 1 line. Then the receiver's address. I've seen in your paper application आया था, आधे से ज़्यादा बच्चों ने प्रिंसिपल की स्पेलिंग भी गलत लिखी है और प्रिंसिपल का P स्मॉल लिखा है. Keep in mind, principal P is always written in capital letter. The principal, Army Public School 39, GTC, Varanasi. Then you leave 1 line and you write the subject. अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? Subject. And subject क्या है हमारा? Subject is request to stop cruelty towards stray dogs. This is the subject. Clear? After subject, again you leave 1 line. Keep in mind that margin line को आपका एक भी letter touch नहीं करना चाहिए, and all your letters should fall one below the other. Clear? Sender's address means your address. Leave 1 line. Wherever I have drawn line, मैंने जहाँ जहाँ line खींची है, आपको बेटा वहाँ line छोड़नी है. आप line नहीं खींचेंगे, आपको वहाँ line छोड़नी है. So sender's address, leave 1 line. Date also has got a format. The month, the date, comma the year. Then you leave 1 line and then you write the principal. Principal का P capital होगा and the spelling is PRINCIPAN. Clear? Army A capital, publics P capital, schools S capital. इतनी mistakes I've seen in your answer sheets. So please be particular. How I'm writing, what I'm teaching, you need to follow those instructions children for letter writing. Else everything will be cut and you will not score any marks. So the principal, Army Public School, 39 GTC Varanasi, then leave 1 line. Then your subject is request to stop cruelty towards stray dogs. Clear? अब हमने इसके बाद एक लाइन छोड़ी है और उसके बाद हम salutation लिखेंगे. I hope यहाँ तक सारे बच्चों का हो गया है, because now I'm going to erase this and I'm going to write the salutation and the body of the letter. प्लीज राइट फास्ट। आई होप सबका हो गया है। अब मैं पूरा यहाँ से हेडिंग भी रेस कर रही हूँ एंड उसकी जगह मैं पूरा सैल्यूटेशन एंड बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर लिखूंगी। क्लियर? सो दैट आप भी एकदम नीटली वैसे लिख सकते हो। आई ऑल्सो इरेज द हेडिंग। Now, we'll start. After subject, आप एक लाइन छोड़ के treat this as your, इसको आप अपनी मार्जिन लाइन मान के चलेंगे। Clear? After salutation, sorry, after subject you leave a line and write salutation. Salutation is respected madam. We respect the principal, we respect the teachers, so we write respected madam. अब ये सैल्यूटेशन हमने लिखा। अब इसके बाद हमको एक भी लाइन बच्चों नहीं छोड़नी है। सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर। दिस इज to bring to your notice about the atrocious. Atrocious means very bad. ATROCIOUS, atrocious behavior of some students towards the stray dogs near the school. The stray dogs living, the stray dogs living near the gate of our school are very docile. Docile means harmless. They do not harm anyone. DOCILE, docile, and do not bite anyone. But some students throw stones, and hit them just for fun. कुछ बच्चों की आदत होती है ना, डॉग्स को मार के जब वो चिल्लाता है, दर्द से चीखता है, तो उनको मजा आती है. I request you to kindly look in the matter. I request you to kindly look into the matter and save the dogs. Please stop them from hurting. Please stop them from hurting the poor animals. Hope you will do the needful and oblige. Now from a new line. Thanking you yours obediently, you write your name, class and section. Clear? जो आप नाम लिखोगे वो पूरा नेम एंड सरनेम बोथ आएगा. क्लियर? एंड कीप इन माइंड, इसमें अगर आप चाहो तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, you can mention your name also, that I, suppose my name is Rajan Pandey, I, Rajan Pandey, tried to stop those boys, but they threatened me and told to stay away from this matter. So if you wish, आप इसमें एक लाइन ऐड कर सकते हो कि आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है, कि आपने उन बॉयज को रोकने की कोशिश की, but they did not listen to you. So if you wish, you can add one more line. So that's it, because ये होता है ना कि अगर आप कोई गलत काम देख रहे हो, आप रोक नहीं रहे हो, so that's also not right. So if you wish, आप इसमें चाहो तो आप लिख सकते हो कि I tried to stop those boys, but they threatened me and told me to stay away from this matter. So let's, if you wish, it is not compulsory, but if you wish, you can write. Now let's read this letter. Respected Madam, this is to bring to your notice about the atrocious behavior of some students towards the stray dogs near the school. The stray dogs living near the gate of a school are very docile. Docile means they are very trained, they do not hurt anyone. है ना, जो किसी को काटते नहीं, किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते, वेरी काम एंड क्वाइट, and do not bite anyone, but some students throw stones and hit them just for fun. I request you to kindly look in the matter and save the dogs. Please stop them from hurting the poor animals. Hope you will do the needful and oblige. Thanking you. Yours obediently. Write your name, surname, both with capital letter. Name का first letter capital, surname का first letter capital, your class and section. So that's all for today, and with this letter we have finished all the exercises of lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Clear? So that's all for today. Please complete this letter neatly in the correct format in your notebook. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.